Alright, today we're going to be looking at a different type of rooftop unit. This rooftop unit is a air conditioner and a heater. Alright, so basically we've walked around this unit and we've not heard anything bad. Everything sounds like it's running just fine. So before we dig into it, we want to shut the power down. There we go. We also have a GFI plug right here, receptacle. Okay, some maintenance on the outside. We want to make sure that these fins are clear of debris, dirt, anything. You're gonna have to hose it down, or you can take a counter brush and sweep it out so that they're not clogged. Be careful not to bend the fins and damage them. As we come around the unit here, you'll see that we still have some more cooling fins. The same thing, clean them. You may have to bring a hose up here and hose these things out. Towards the top, you want to make sure there's no debris clogging these fan vents. As we go around, we're still tracking the case and everything. And on the opposite side, we have our stainless steel filters. Pull out right here. Stainless steel filter here. We'll hose these down. Try to get them as clean as possible. Replace them. So you're coming around here, and you got your condensation drain here. Make sure that it's draining properly, it's not clogged. And we have some exhaust vents for gas here. Make sure insects have not been in them, built nests. Make sure they're clear of debris or anything like that. So now we're going to open the unit up and take a look at where the filters are located. And I pulled the screws off previously. Pull this thing out. We have our filters right here. These are about, they're a medium, not too bad right now. But there's probably 6 of them in here. And that's where our filters are located. We have our coils here. Alright, so now we're going to be change those once a month, log them. Make sure you have the month, date, and year on your log. Now we're going to go in here and take a look at our belts. Belts and motors are now located in here. Okay, now we're down in here, and it looks, sometimes there's going to be grease ports on these motors located in the front or the back. There's no oil ports either. So this motor is sealed, but usually a grease cert here, a grease cert in the back, or an oil port here or in the back. This is what's going to determine how your belt right here, how tight you're going to do your belt. And like I said, we will go over that in a moment. Okay, so now we have our squirrel cage here. And usually there's a grease cert on the bearings back here. Well, these look like they're sealed. So make sure there's not a whole lot of dirt, everything. There's no grease ports to grease. Also, when you come down in here, if you look inside here, this is a condensation drip pan right in here. Make sure that the hole located back towards the back here is not plugged so that your condensation line drains. Basically, I think that's all we have right now for this rooftop unit. This is all the preventive maintenance that we will do to this unit. So I think we're done with it.